So what we have here today, like last time, starting from this plate here, what we have is chopped ginger and chopped garlic. I keep it chopped, but it's up to you if you wish to use paste rather than having chopped ginger and chopped garlic. You can make a nice ginger garlic paste. Then we have eggs, which I have boiled for about 10 minutes. It's hard boiled egg. And here what we got is we have green cardamom, we have cumin, we have cinnamon, we have cloves, we have cumin powder, we have coriander powder, red chili, and garam masala. And on this side I have a bowl of chopped tomatoes and I have a bowl of sliced onion. And in terms of pans, I have two pans here. So this one is a thick bottom pan again with anti-stick coating. So we will be actually cooking the curry in this. And this pan here, why I have kept it here is to give you an idea of how we process the eggs, because these eggs here, they are just boiled once. So what we're going to do in the process is we're going to shallow fat fry these eggs to make their outer side crisp and hard so that they don't break when they go into the gravy. We will follow that process in a minute. So I already had the pan on fire, so the oil in there is just enough to cook the onions. So we're going to start with we put cinnamon sticks in first. As I said last time, you need to let it crackle, then cloves go in, then green cardamom goes in, because these take a little time to crackle, as you saw. And then I put in cumin seeds. There we go. Cumin seeds go in, nice and crackling. Then next what I do is I put in ginger and I put in garlic. Ginger and garlic goes in. We stir it a little bit till the garlic starts browning, and the minute it starts browning, we put the onions in. Here it starts browning now, and nice, and the onions go in. I did 2 large onions, but I think it's a bit too much for the amount of tomatoes that I have. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use only 2/3 of these onions, and the rest we can use somewhere else next time. So the onions go in. So what I do next is I add a little bit of salt to the onions. That makes them soft and that makes them leave the water, and they fry quickly. I don't want to cook the onions. I actually want to turn them brown, as I said last time as well. If you turn the onions brown, they caramelize, and when they caramelize, they give a nice sweet taste. So that's exactly what I'm going to do today. We're going to caramelize these onions, and once the onions are caramelized, we're going to add the tomato. While this is happening, what we also need to do is we need to pierce these eggs. We need to make holes in them so that when we put them in the sauce actually goes into the hole and it gives a nice taste inside. So I am going to fetch something like a chopstick. So So I have a chopstick here, luckily found one here. So I'm going to use this chopstick to pierce the eggs. So what I'm going to do is do a few holes. One from here, one from here, one from here, one from here, and then one here. So this is what I'm going to do to all the eggs, so that it becomes easy for the sauce, the masala, to go inside them and give them a nice red color inside and a nice tomatoey taste. In the meantime, we should not forget to turn the onions around. We are caramelizing slowly, so let them caramelize at their own pace. All you need. Now, as you see, the onions are nice and brown and caramelized. So next step is that we go in with the spices. So what I have here, as explained, is red chili powder, coriander seed powder, garam masala, and cumin powder. So here it goes in. And you just saute it a little bit, just to saute it. If you want to have a yellowish color to your sauce, please add a bit of turmeric. But I don't want it yellow, I want it red because I'm using tomatoes, and it's about time the tomatoes go in. The tomatoes go in, here it goes, and you just mix sauce. There we go. So what we do is next we switch on our put the lid on here and put it on a gas on the side. In the meantime, let the sauce cook at a slow pace at medium heat, so that it cooks nice and soft. The tomatoes go really soft. In the meantime, what we're going to do is we're going to add some oil here, because we need to shallow fat fry the eggs. So we do it nice and hot, not too much oil, not too less, just cover the eggs so that the eggs get cooked on all sides. So let's wait for the oil to heat up, and then we put the eggs in. I'm keeping this handy just in case this is a pasta tongue, just in case they are too hot to take out. I wouldn't really mind, but just being cautious. So in case you have a tongue, keep it at hand because the eggs may get hot. Here we go, and we put the eggs in. Maybe I have 11 eggs here, 11 of them, and I'm going to put half first and half later. So we have 6 now. It's going to make a lot of splash. So to prevent it from splashing, I'm going to put a wire mesh on top so that the oil doesn't go out. Leave it there for the eggs to turn brown. In fact, I have space, so I might as well add all of them. Turn the heat a little low and let the eggs dry. So here we go. The sauce is ready. Pretty much done. And the eggs are also set. They are brown, nice and crisp from outside, soft from inside. And all we need to do now is put them into the sauce. Here are the eggs, all nice and brown, and they go into the sauce. So let's cover them up from all sides, let them simmer for a couple of minutes, and we take them off the heat. That's all we need to do, and our egg curry is all set to go. We will leave this for simmering at a low heat so that we don't have to watch it over and the tomatoes don't stick and burn, which they tend to very quickly. So we put the lid on and we reduce the heat. We'll come back in 5 minutes and then see how the product looks like in 5 minutes. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the curry is ready. Absolutely, it was a bit thicker when I put the lid off, and what I did was I added a bit of water to make it a little more runny because I'm going to have it with rice, so I need it a bit runny. Then, however, if you want to have it with a bread and naan, so you can choose the consistency you want. If at all you want to thin it down, simply put a little bit of water in it, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I do hope you will enjoy your egg curry as well. And I will see you in the next time in the next video. Thank you for now. Bye bye.